This is a boat that came to de-winterize, and it's been sitting since 2018, so it had some routine service work. There is the inner shift cable. Bellows was bad. The seals were bad. As you can see, the oil is sitting inside of that. The seals were bad because that's the output shaft, and you can see it's grooved, so it never would have sealed. Fuel water separator. The impeller, of course, need to be changed, and the gimbal bearing need to be changed. So this is a final running video on that one. Go ahead.